Hi guys, welcome to Family Create. I hope you're all doing well. So following on from our previous battery testing video on the Pixel Watch 4 versus Pixel Watch 2. So today I'll be testing the Pixel Watch 4's battery with the always on display off. So on Wednesday 15th of October, the battery was 100% at 12:45 AM. The brightness was on 2 bar. And I set the night mode on at 12:45 AM and went to bed. When I woke up at 6:30 AM, I turned the bedtime mode off and the battery was at 93%. So sleep mode took 7% on that night. In the morning, around 10 AM, I did a treadmill run for 20 minutes. The battery before the treadmill run was 89% and after the treadmill run it was 88%. So the treadmill run took 1% with a 20 minutes run. I took one voice call on the watch that evening, around 5.5 minutes long. Around 11:45 battery was 63%. I set the night mode on. And on Thursday 16th of October 12:45 AM we've achieved 24 hours. Thursday in the morning 6:30 AM bed night mode went off and the battery was at 55%, so sleep tracking took 8% battery. Again in the morning on Thursday I did the treadmill run for 20 minutes. Before the treadmill run the battery was 52%. After the 20 minutes run the battery was 50%, so the treadmill took 2% on that day. So that night, Thursday night, I didn't go bed till 12:45 AM. So by then it's Friday 17th of October. The battery was 26% when I turned the bedtime mode on at 12:45 AM. So when I woke up today in the morning, Friday 7 AM, I turned the bedtime mode off and the battery was 19%. So far we've achieved 54 hours with AOD off. That's amazing. Moving on. So around 10:30 AM battery was 14%. So far at 14% battery, we've achieved 57.5 hours. And the time now is 11:05 and at the moment the battery is still at 14%. And with that, I think I can achieve another 2 hours. So I'll update you guys shortly. So guys, a quick update before we end the video. It's just after 3 PM and the battery is now at 5%. Earlier on when we had an update, the battery was at 14% and we achieved 58 hours with AOD off. So 58 hours plus the 4 hours from 11 to 3 PM, that takes us a grand total of 62 hours. So with AOD off, we have achieved 62 hours in total. That is amazing. I used to always worry about my Pixel Watch battery, but now I must say with Pixel Watch 4, the battery issues have been on back of my mind. And I feel really relieved that they've improved the battery. In terms of usage, I actually use my watch with AOD on. I only turn the AOD off when I know I can't get home on time to charge it. Other than that, I always have my AOD on. So that's all for today guys. I hope you find this video helpful. If you have, please do give it a like and support us by subscribing. I'll be publishing more videos on the Pixel Watch and the OnePlus Watch 3 and the Galaxy Watch 8 Classic as well. So do keep your notification bell on for our upcoming videos. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, do take care. Bye bye.